Sometimes on Facebook, you may set your hometown on your profile. And if you want to set that hometown so that only your close friends can see it, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to set your hometown on your Facebook profile in a way that only your close friends can see. For this, open the Facebook app. After that, here you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see personal details. Next to that, you can see a pencil-like button. Click on this button. When you click here, you can see personal details. Under that, you can see so many options. The second option is your hometown. And one thing is that if you haven't set this before, when you reach this page, you can see the hometown option here. Click on hometown. For example, I am adding my hometown. After that, select the hometown. And I'm selecting this hometown. After that, here you can see who can see this option. Click on this. And here you can see so many options. For example, here I am selecting the close friends option. That means only your close friends can see this. And if you haven't set your close friends, when you click on that, here you can see a page like this. Here you can see every friend, and from that friends list, you can select everyone that you want in your close friends list. For example, I'm selecting only one person. Anyways, after that click on this save button. Now in my case, I have selected the close friends option, and after that click on this done button. When you click on that, here you can see the save option. Click on save. When you click on that, those settings will be saved. And after this, you can see a page like this. Here if you want to show this as a post on your Facebook profile, you can click on share. Or if you don't want to, you can click on this back button. Anyways, those settings are saved, so this way you can easily set your hometown on your Facebook profile in a way that only close friends can see. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.